Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you Learn Canva full tutorial for beginners. So first you just have to go to canva.com and then create an account. So this is what it looks like. Right now, I'm currently using the basic version. I'm not using Pro. And it's okay, you can still follow the instruction right here if you're using Pro. To start, you can go to the side right here to see the settings, notifications, create a design, and your account. Below, you can see your custom size and upload. If you have your presentation or file already, just click upload, choose file, and then use that template or file. You can search that specific presentation right here, a template right here, or you can scroll down to see more designs. So if you are using or if you want to edit and post on your social media like your Facebook, your Instagram, or create a calendar, poster, or anything, you just have to simply go below and then scroll or go to the search icon and then type the specific presentation or template you're looking for. So for this time, let's just see, for the sake of this tutorial, we're looking for business presentation. And when you type business, you can see the following suggestions right here. So let me tap this business presentations and wait for a couple of seconds. And then here I can see samples of Canva templates and that of course related to business, company profile, business plan presentation, product presentation, and so on. If you tap see all, then you will see all Canva templates right here, and also, when you go to all filters, you can filter that specific category. Or if you're looking for a specific template, then you can go to filter. For example, if you're just looking for education, social, and then for format, there is this presentation right here with this exact size or ratio. And then for style, you can tap this modern, or if you're looking for minimalist, simple, professional, and same with theme below, you can tap business. So if you're looking for that very specific presentation or template, all you have to do is go to filter and then tap that to see the result. So after you have tapped feature specific subject and others here, what you're going to do next is to click apply. Below there is free and pro, and we have this color. So if you're looking for the specific color for that presentation, like you just want yellow presentation that is related to business. So if you tap yellow or if you tap pink right here, then probably you will see presentation that is color yellow or green. So I'm going to show you. So for example, let me untap this or unclick this and then go to color, look or tap yellow, click apply. Then I will see your presentation, yellow presentation to be exact. Okay, and all I have to do is to select one. So make sure that you will not see this crown version right here, because for crown version, that means you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this. Okay, so I am now looking for something that is not pro. I mean, for basic version, so that if you're using the basic version of Canva, you can still do and follow this tutorial. So let me look for that specific presentation right here. Okay. Let's just say I want to use this marketing strategy. So here you can tap this customize this template. It will take you to another page, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so you have 15 pages right here, and you can edit, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can tap this icon right here to see the full presentation. All you have to do is to tap next to see the preview, and then you will know which page or what are you going to edit here. So feel free to delete elements and objects that are not necessary and you think that are not useful for your presentation. Now, let's just say you have changed your mind and then you look for something instead of yellow presentation. You're not looking for pink presentation or red presentation, something like that. But of course, this presentation should be related to business or still related to business or marketing. So let's just say I'm looking for red presentations right here, and you will see templates that, of course, color red. And all you have to do is to drag it to replace the current template that you're using. So click this apply all you just have to simply drag that specific page. For example, you just need one page right here or the specific page, then you can replace that page to any of the template or pages in the present or current page. But as you can see here, I already, change everything. So I apply this all 11 pages and remove the first one. Now to add elements, you just have to go to elements to add frame, arrow, square shapes, and other features right here: graphics, videos, tables, photos, charts, stickers. Okay, so this time, for example, you wanted to add a specific object right here or shape. So let's just say I want to add a line right here. So all I have to do is to drag that line to this page. And then the good thing about this element or Canva is that even if you drag a line here, you can also change the line weight at the same time, the line's color. You can animate this, you can change transparency, and so on. So it's not just a line, but you can add more to that. Okay, you can even add another object, another shape, change the position, add some arrows or other elements. Now, if you want to, set a or show some rulers and guides, let's just say you are following a specific ruler or guide right here, then you just have to go to file and settings and you will see this rulers and guide, where all you have to do is to simply look for the specific number or measurement, something like that, and then drag it right here. So the feature rulers and guides is indeed a big help, especially if you want to make everything perfect. Okay, when it comes to position or sizes. Now, if you want to clear this, you just have to go to File, go to Settings, and then Clear Guides. Now, talking about text, if you want to add some text right here, just tap Text, and you can see this Add a Text. Add a heading for default text styles recently used. All you have to do is to drag it right here. Other fonts and text styles right here are not for free. You need to upgrade to Pro in order for you to use this. So you can also go to brand, but actually you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this brand kit. So you need to try Canva Pro. Upload if you want to upload a specific image, a video, or audio or file, and then attach it right here. Let's just say if you want to add an image, you can go to upload files or you can just simply drag that specific image to the blank page. You just have to go to your folder, open your folder, and then drag that image right here. So this is just an example, of course. And then if you go to elements again, if you want to add more elements like pictures, photos, you just have to click elements and then add. For example, I wanted to add a picture right here, but it should be, of course, related to business marketing. You can go to elements and then let's just say you can type business or marketing, or let's just say stocks or statistics, something like that. You can go to graphics, photos, or videos, and then drag that specific image or video right here. So this is what it looks like. You can change what's inside the frame, or you can also simply put it like set this as a background. To do that, you just have to click tap layer and then send backward so that you can just use this image or set this image as a background to this specific picture right here. So this is what it looks like. You can also do the other thing, like you want to send this to front to cover that specific image, you can do that. Or you can tap it again, go to layer, and then bring to front or send backward. Same goes with the text. If you want to set this backward, you just have to right click layer and then send backward. And then if you want to change your mind and then bring this to front, then right click, okay, tap the layer and then bring to front. As easy as that. So basically, that's how you use this layer feature in Canva. Talking about keyboard shortcuts, then there are basic shortcuts right here for Mac and Windows. As you can see, for undo, Control Z, Control V for redo, okay, add T for text, rectangle R, align L, and so on. So there are tons of shortcuts there that you can use once you go to your Canva editor template and then add this feature. So again, for text, you just have to type T. For a line, you just have to type L, rectangle R for shape. But of course, some features in Canva don't have shortcuts, so you need to really manually tap them. So as you can see, just type R for rectangle, that's for shape, and then you can just change the size if you want. Okay, so after talking about keyboard shortcuts, let's go to frames. So if you go to elements, aside from text, shapes, pictures, graphics, there is also this frame feature right here. The good thing about this frame is that if you're looking for that specific or size, like specific frame for that image, all you have to do is to drag that frame right here, and whatever the size of the image is, when you drag that image to this frame, it will follow the frame size. So for example, the size right here, this is the basic, or let's just say you're editing a specific frame and you have this a big size photo and you want to fit that photo to the specific size of the frame, all you have to do is to drag that. So let's just say we're looking for talking, someone is talking, a person's talking. As you can see, if I drag the picture to the frame, even if it's how small it is or big it is, it will fit into the frame. So that's the good thing about this frame. So aside from this shape, there are tons of shapes for a frame right here. And all you have to do is to drag, and whatever size of the photo, it will follow the frame size. For example, this one right here. Let me remove this one first because actually you cannot just simply drag it. You need to add again another photo. Even if you try this layer, okay, it will not follow the size of the frame. So let me drag it again, put it in here, and as you can see, it follows the size of the frame. So the picture is inside the frame. That's the good thing about this. So after talking about the frame, when we go back and then go to this create a design and custom size, here you can simply type the specific size that you're looking for. For example, for width 1000, height 1000, tap create new design. You will see here following examples, logos, pictures that has the same size that you can use for that size that you enter, or the size that you're looking for, which is 1000 times 1000. 1000 feet and 1000 height. So for example, you just have to simply drag that picture, those pictures that you can see. And unlike the template here, when you go to this specific design or size that you input, there is no templates that you can use or you can see down below. So this is what it looks like. It's quite different, but it's the same thing. You just have to drag the picture to the blank page and then feel free to edit. Okay, so this time, what we're going to do now, since you have this specific size right here, you can tap this icon below or grid view to replace or change the position of the pictures and pages. You can tap it again to see more clearer. And then after that, what we're going to do here is that when you're satisfied with your template or your project or presentation and you want to share this, you just have to click share, add a specific email, or if you want to have only you who can have access to this or anyone with the link, and then copy, public view. If you want to create a link for public view, you can tap public view, or you just have to copy this link, paste it, or send it to whoever you can or you want to watch or you want to use this presentation. Now, if you tap this download, you have the choice if you want to set this as JPEG, PNG, PDF, and so on. So everything is up to you. There are tons of style right here. So the advantage of upgrading to Pro, there are tons of advantages and then benefits if you upgrade to Pro. And of course, you can unlock features right here. For example, you can integrate to any application. You can use these applications right here. You can use this resize and magic switch. You can also try and go back to designs. You will see there that you can use all the templates, you know, if you upgrade to Pro. Same goes with the element and then for text styles and font styles that under Pro. So that's the good thing about upgrading to Pro. You can see here more information if you tap this upgrade to Pro. What are the benefits, and then what are the things that you can do if you upgrade your plan into Pro. So you just have to purchase anytime. So this is just a very basic tutorial about how to use Canva. Always remember that Canva is a free application with a commercial edition that lets you make many kinds of designs for your blog, social media accounts, and website. So if you want to learn how to use less complicated programs that are a great substitution for Photoshop, for example, this is the solution for you. So again, this is just a very basic tutorial on how to learn Canva as a beginner. So all you have to do is to create your account, sign in, and then explore some of the features here in Canva. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.